What's going on, everybody? TJ got Kicks 89 here, back with another review video for you guys. Today we have got a foundation skateboard. This is the Star and Moon, or Moon and Star design, which is most notably their logo. I got this from Zone 5 for the price of there. That's what you see, and the retail price is 239 ringgit. I got this deck because I decided, much like the Toy Machine deck, that I wanted to try and size back down. This is a 7.88 width with a 31.75 inch length, and I believe the wheelbase is just about 14 inches. This deck is a nostalgic one for me because once I got back into skateboarding, the smallest size available in the UK was a 7.875, and that was the Nick Merlino Foundation Instagram handle deck. And I just got this because I was trying out a lot of other clearance decks at Zone 5 and decided that this is the one that best suits my small frame, small foot. This is a pretty mellow deck, not as steep as the other decks are concerned, but for everyone out there, just for the benefit of some newer YouTubers or skateboarders just watching my channel, Foundation is a sister company of Ed Templeton's Toy Machine. It is distributed under Tomieto. It was initially Todd Swank's brand back in the 1980s, and was developed along with Steve Rocco of World Industries. Nothing much to say about this deck. It's just a pretty nice turquoise-ish with some of the grains you can see through there, with a nice little frame on the Star and Moon, and just the Foundation branding right under there. On the other side, you've got this basically as part of the low graphic on the top stain, and the top stain is a dark navy color, and that is essentially it. I think I'm very comfortable riding 7.88 decks. 7.98 is an okay size, obviously, but when I want to learn new tricks, I want to learn it on a slightly smaller deck, just to get the flips faster and all that stuff. I realize I haven't been progressing much on an 8. Maybe because I can't move on from a 7.88 deck. But this is essentially the deck that I will be riding in place of my Baker Dolan 8 deck, and I'll be going back and forth interchangeably. But that is essentially it. The Foundation Star and Moon skateboard from Zone 5. It also comes with a free grip tape, which is pretty nice. TJ got Kicks 89, Foundation Super Company, Foundation Skateboards. I'm out.